Okay, let's start the class. Today's topic is how and why hexadecimal number system is used in data representation. Okay, hexadecimal number, hexadecimal number, it can be represented as hex. So you don't need to worry. You can call it hex, and it has 16 numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then A, B, C till F. 16 numbers. Okay. So this number system is commonly used in computing and digital electronics. So how and why? This is our today's topic, how we can use the hexadecimal number system. Number one, we can use this in memory addresses. For example, let me show you one example. This is one of the example of memory address: 07FFF5B and so on. You cannot find any other character except the numbers between 0 to 9 and A to F. You cannot find any other character, right? So hexadecimal number system memory addresses. What does it mean? Memory address. But a memory, let me say, for example, you have random access memory. Let's presume it's a 8 GB of RAM, right? Every location has different address. Every location, it has a unique address, right? Just like that. So memory addresses can be represented as hexadecimal number because memory locations are lengthy, if you can see here, and complex in binary. But hexadecimal numbers simplifies this representation. Is that clear? Okay, number two, color codes. Color codes. Beta, maybe you have some experience of HTML development, of web pages development. So we use different types of hexa numbers for web pages to represent some colors, color codes, right? For example, white. If I need to represent white color, then I can use FFFF, right? If I need to use black, then I need to use 0000000, right? So hexadecimal number can be represented in coloring the different types of text when you develop the different web pages and graphics. And number three, assembly language. You know what it is? As assembly language, it's a low level language. Assembly language. So we can use hexa numbers there, hexa number there to represent the data, right? And the fourth one is debugging. Debugging. You need to first understand what is bug. Bug, you are right. जो आप सोच रहे हो, you are right. बिल्कुल ठीक सोच रहे हैं. But in computer terms, bug is called error. When you fix the error, this is called debug. When you make your program correct after finding the error, this is called debugging process. So hexadecimal numbers, it can also helps you out to debug the program, especially when you are a developer or programmer. डेवलपर प्रोग्रामर मीन्स बेटा आप लोग जब प्रोग्रामिंग करोगे इन फ्यूचर तो सॉफ्टवेयर जो बनाते हैं, राइट? So that is very easy for them to simplify the binary data and error codes, rather interpreting this thing 0110. It's a very long number. So hexadecimal number can be used to interpret this information in a group of 4 bits. And you know what is how to convert the binary number into hexa number. If you don't know, तो you need to watch the old video. ये आपको लिंक नज़र आ जाएगा यहाँ पर, तो ये चेक कर सकते हैं आप लिंक को, राइट? एनी क्वेश्चन बेटा? Okay. Why hexadecimal is beneficial? Now I'm coming to the point why. The first one is compact representation. It's a very long binary number and it's very hard to memorize it. So you can make a group of 4 bits: 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and 1 2. Let me pad 0 0 to make it a group, right? By the way, 4 consecutive bits, we can call it nibble. 4 consecutive bits is equal to nibble. In coming lecture, in measurements of data storage, I'll tell you what is a bit, nibble, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, and so on, right? So I was trying to use this term there, but लेकिन अब ये आ गया तो I'm using it, right? So let's interpret this information. 1 2 4 8, 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. This is equal to D. 0 triple 1. This is equal to E. 1011. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13, which is equal to D, and again D. 1248, this is 6, and this is 3. So that's much easier than this binary number. Beta, any problem, any confusion? Any confusion? Okay. Second point is readability. Readability. When you are done with the grouping of these binary numbers, you can easily read that information and you can easily interpret, right? Error, it's very easy. Hexadecimal, that's very easy to find out the errors. I can write error deduction. ठीक है बेटा. So that's very easy to interpret this information rather binary. Is that clear? Any question बेटा? अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही हो then you can ask the question. Okay. So being a programmer, that helps you a lot in debugging the programs, right? So this is it. I guess this is enough. By the way, there are so many other points as well. For example, let me tell you again. Uh, Hexadecimal number system, it can also be used in MAC addresses. MAC addresses, media access control. Media access control. The question is, what is it? Beta, every device which can be connected to the network, it must have MAC address. It's a built-in address. Built-in means built in means uh, that at the time of manufacturing process the vendors means ये जो कंपनीज होती हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल लैपटॉप कंपनीज जो बनाती हैं, इट्स लेट मी से HP, डेल, एक्सेट्रा, ऑल ऑफ देम, राइट. स्मार्ट वॉचेस की जितनी भी कंपनीज है, राइट, स्मार्ट वॉचेस जो बनाती हैं कंपनीज, आपके टैब्स. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज डिवाइसेस हैव यूनिक unique, I'm saying unique, different addresses. Every device has a different unique address. बेटा अभी नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मैक एड्रेस आ रहा है, सो मैं इसे डिग नहीं कर रहा हूँ, और राइट. सो दैट्स इनफ. मीडिया एक्सेस कंट्रोल में हाउ डज इट लुक लाइक? इसको बेटा ऐसे कह सकते हैं, E2 3 B 4 2. It's a random number, right? 1 1 F C D 1. It's a MAC address, right? So hexadecimal number can be used in MAC addresses, and hexadecimal numbers can also be used in IP addresses. Those students who knows about the IP address, they can have this question, how? Because they can see the IP address just like this, 210.10.20.30. It's a random number. It's a Denry number. Yes, you're right. It's a version 4 IP address. But hexadecimal cannot be used in version 4. But in IP address, IP version 6, hexadecimal can be used. FE03303E04, etc. ऐसे जाते हैं, राइट. सो IP address maybe you can use it, hexadecimal numbers, MAC addresses maybe, and you can also use hexadecimal numbers in web addresses. Web addresses. Web addresses means, beta, for example, you have this web address URL, bbc.com. So if you convert these characters into hexa, then still the website can open, right? For example, W, the hexa value of W is 77. I'm not saying 77, it's 77, right? Dot mean it's, if I'm not wrong, that's परसेंटेज टू ई एंड सो ऑन। इसे आप कन्वर्ट करके ऐसे, इफ यू हिट द बटन देन still that website can open. So definitely it's a difficult process, right, to memorize the hexadecimal numbers and all the codes, right? So I guess this is it. Now you know, okay, what is the purpose of the hexadecimal numbers, how and why it can be used in coloring codes, memory addresses, assembly language debugging, compact representation, readability, error reduction, MAC addresses, IP version 6, web addresses, and all that. Is that clear, beta? Any question? So this is all for today. See you on the next video, inshallah. Okay, take care. Bye.